I want to talk about sovereignty. Now, what is sovereignty and what does it mean to be a sovereign being? So for me, this means taking and knowing that I am fully responsible for everything in my life. Now, I find this very empowering. I remember the first time I realized what it meant that I had the ability to choose my responses. This was like, whoa, amazing. And I really understood that if I created something, I could uncreate it and I could create something new. And as the years have gone by, I've realized more and more that sovereignty for me is knowing that I am whole. I do not need to seek anything outside of myself. This has set me free. I don't need people's energy. I don't need to give them my energy. Amazing. Because you are sovereign too. And I believe that this is what we are now entering fully into, if that's a word, more into this recognition that we are sovereign beings. And this will stop the energy feeding and power play when we realize that everything is within, and not only realize this, but learn how to access it. I really enjoy knowing that I am sovereign. It's made my relationships, my business, my sense of self-worth very, very different. It changed so much. And I'm sharing this with you because you may be in a place where you're wondering what your purpose is. You've tried so many things, all the self-help books, and you're still in a place where you're wondering, what the hell am I doing here? Or why are things not working out for me? And I really believe it's when we take that step and say, right, I am a sovereign being, and as such, I am here to truly honor myself, my uniqueness, my talents, my gifts. And this means integrating all those parts of yourself, that have been hidden. And this is the part where a lot of us get stuck and we struggle, and we haven't been shown by very many people, at least not to a level that I would enjoy, how to do it and what to get. So it can be quite a confusing time as you try to come back to yourself and be able to really connect to who you truly are, and then step out from that place. Again, I found this extremely liberating. I'd be interested to know what you think about sovereignty and being a sovereign being, and if you've experienced that at all, and is this something you'd like? If so, we need to talk.